Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if Ooma, that popular VoIP service, has an app? I mean, it's 2024, right? Apps are pretty much everywhere. So, let's dive in and find out if Ooma keeps up with the times. Before we get into the app, let's quickly recap what Ooma is. It's a cloud-based phone system that replaces traditional landlines. You can make and receive calls using your internet connection, often at a lower cost than traditional phone plans. But does this convenience extend to a mobile app? The Ooma app, does it exist? Well, the short answer is, drumroll please. Yes, Ooma does have an app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. So, if you're constantly on the go and want to keep your Ooma phone number with you, you're in luck. Key features of the Ooma app. Now, let's explore what the Ooma app can do for you. Here are some of its key features. Call forwarding. Easily forward calls from your Ooma landline to your mobile device. No more missing important calls when you're out and about. Voicemail. Access your voicemail messages directly from the app. Listen to them, save them, or even delete them. Call history. Keep track of all your incoming and outgoing calls. Find the number you need quickly and easily. Contacts integration. Sync your Ooma contacts with your mobile device's contact list. No need to enter the same information twice. Call blocking. Block unwanted callers and keep your peace of mind. Using the Ooma app. A step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get practical. How do you actually use the Ooma app? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Download the app. Head over to your device's app store and search for Ooma. Download and install the app. Sign in. Use your Ooma account credentials to log in. Link your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Ooma phone number to your mobile device. Start making calls. That's it. You're now ready to make and receive calls using your Ooma number on your mobile device. Pros and cons of the Ooma app. Like any app, the Ooma app has its pros and cons. Let's take a look. Pros. Convenience. Always have your Ooma phone number with you. Features. Enjoy features like call forwarding, voicemail, and call blocking. Easy to use. The app is designed to be user-friendly. Cons. Data usage. Using the app can consume data, especially if you make or receive a lot of calls. Limited features. Compared to the full Ooma service, the app may have some limitations. Is the Ooma app worth it? Whether or not the Ooma app is worth it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're always on the go and want to stay connected to your Ooma landline, the app can be a valuable tool. However, if you don't need to access your Ooma phone number on your mobile device, you may not find it necessary. So, there you have it. Ooma does indeed have an app, and it can be a convenient way to stay connected. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or simply someone who wants to have your Ooma number accessible on your mobile device, the Ooma app is worth considering. Have you tried the Ooma app? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're still not using Ooma, be sure to check it out. It's a great way to save money on your phone bills. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time, stay tuned.